Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your Devops SRE DevSecOps coach. So what I'm going to do, I need to have one application installed uh, in this server, so I can show you how Dynatrace can, uh, you know, um, collect the all the types of matrices automatically. By the way, matrices Dynatrace has collected already. CPU, RAM, disk and all, which I showed you, processes as well. Logs also it has collected already, which I showed you, but I want the trace. That is important. Trace, and then uh, this information I want to you to show you, and then followed by I want to show you the RAM and synthetic monitoring as well. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing which I'm going to do, I'm going to install one VM, which I'm having it already, and then I'm going to install Java, and after the Java I'm going to install Tomcat, and Tomcat one application, and then I'll create a traffic. Okay, one agent will be installed here, so which I need to restart it. So first Java, Tomcat, application, and then traffic. So these are the things which I'm going to do that. So let's get started. So Java install DevOps school. Now every tutorials will help you. So this I am running just to save time. So this tutorial you are having in the recordings. How do you get it? You know that. Almost done. Okay. Now next after Java you have to install Tomcat. Now Tomcat install DevOps school. You can follow this tutorial, but I remember that all the steps, so I'm just doing it. So I'm going to OPT, downloading the Tomcat, unzip this guy, Apache, it's not there, right? Enter, unzip this guy, and done. Now I'll go for Apache Tomcat, cd bin, chmod -na 755 dot permission is given. Now Tomcat will be started. So let me start the Tomcat using this command. Okay, Tomcat got started. Now can I validate the Tomcat installations? So Tomcat is running on 8080 port number by default. Okay, and it's running. So Java I got it, Tomcat I got it. Now say there's some applications I need to install which is Java based, and then traffic will come. So that part I'm skipping it because, but I told you right, Dynatrace has given one easy trip application. which you can use for learning purpose, but that required little bit of bandwidth to set up. Here it is. So this document will help you. EG travel demo applications. How do we install it? Some tutorials also I have created here. Okay, but required little bit of time. So I need one sample application for time being. So where do we go? So here, if you go to the examples, here you will find few applications, which is inbuilt for learners of Tomcat. Java based application only. But right now it's not accessible because of access denied. So Tomcat 9 has introduced this feature, which I'm going to disable it. So go to Ubuntu session getting timeout. Actually, I don't know why. CD Apache Tomcat web web apps. Now I am disabling that feature, and under the examples, right? You can Google it that error. You'll get it on the Stack Overflow. But right now I'm doing it. You don't have to do all this thing. Done. I enable the security, disable the security, and it's accessible. So there are so many applications are there, and one of the applications, let's say I'm taking Hello World, and here I'm creating traffic here. Typically, the real traffic you should create through JMeter, but right now I don't want to complicate too much. So JMeter also will be introduced, and it'll become a little. The flow will become complicated. So that is something which I have it. Now what you need to do, I need to restart. Remember that I said restart the agent. So here what I'm trying to say, agent is already installed, which I did it, but agent have no idea about Java process, Tomcat process, application process. Now this agent is very powerful. You know what, in other tools, how do you do that? So you introduce some instrumenting capabilities for that, but one agent has that instrumentation capability automatically. The moment you restart, it automatically start doing the dynamic instrumentation and start gathering that. So how can we get it? So guys, I need to restart the agent. So let me restart this. So Dynatrace command Devops school. I remember that command, but I think I might make mistakes. So just this one. Okay. So this one will start that through command line. But service also should be there. So where is installed under OPT? Again, I lost this console. So Ubuntu sudo -s. I'm audible, right? There's no network issue.
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
audible.
you're clear.
Yeah.
I can hear you.
So Dynatrace and one agent.
So Rajesh, sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Rajesh, tomorrow is you have one more chapter to continue, right?
App Dynamics. Yeah.
Okay, so tomorrow is the last day, huh?
Yes, one more day we have. Uh, there are some topics which is remaining for Kubernetes, which I could not complete, and one short session on one more tool, which I forgot actually. So I think two more sessions we have.
Okay, fine. So I will extend the invite for Wednesday and Thursday, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, sure. Thanks.
yeah. Okay, so uh, I install the service using one agent using service. So for that, what I'm going to do, uh, if I I can use this one, uh, and for this one agent I need to be here. Oh God, I'm losing the console. Let me change the connections again. I'm audible, all of you. I'm audible, all of you.
Yes, yes, yes. Please for me, it's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm trying to restart this one agent. Just a second, hold on. One agent restart command. I'm just trying to remember that the service command, which might be easier. I think this one, yeah. So this might work because I installed the service, right? Not directly. So restart. Okay, done. So restart, which should do the work, and it's done. Can I check the status? Start. Oh, sorry, status, right? My bad. Uh, yeah, miss running. Okay, so one agent is running. Now, what to do? I have to create a traffic here. Okay, but you know what? I think I'll get tired if I create a traffic too many times by manually, because F5, 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 I have to do so many times. And naturally, I'm a very lazy person. So I will run, just will take few seconds. Let me run the JMeter because I need a lots of data. That's the problem actually. Or else you'll not be able to visualize the dashboard. So enter. So JMeter I am calling, and this URL I am running together. So it can be your applications, anything, and right now not to complicate further. Hmm. So this is my JMeter. I am creating thread group. How many total users I want? Let's say 50. More than that, my system will hang, so I cannot give it. Samplers HTTP request, IP address, port number 8080, HTTP protocol, get protocol. URL for this is here, and I want some listener also. Listener summary reports. I'm going to save this project, and now I'm going to run this unlimited. Now I want to check it's running. Yeah, good. So now I'm created the traffic 50 people per second per minute, and now I have restarted already one agent. So now I should go to Dynatrace and experience this. So let me refresh once. Now if I show you last time, um, I showed you the host. I'm clicking web, and you see my web application. So the default, I did not customize the stuff. By default, the name has come my web applications, and you see here complete detail. Right now it has not come any data. It'll take 10 minutes to populate all the graphs. But this is the beauty of Dynatrace one agent. You see that I did not do anything. You have a Chrome browser, right? Remember that I did not use Firefox. So here you have a Chrome only. 100% real user. Geolocation, you want to see that? Um this is geolocations from where the traffic is coming, and I want you to hit this IP address. Can you hit, all of you, this IP address? I want to track each one of you where you are coming from. I'm putting the URL in chat. I'm just checking. Anyone hit? Do let me know.
I managed to reach it.
Okay, great. I'll tell you that your locations. Just give me a few seconds because it takes some time, right? So complete details you have at a Dynatrace, though you have to spend some time to go through this. Okay, so still have not got that other countries data. Okay, anyways, so I'll come back to this. You'll have to understand each and everything about this, what you have. Uh, Load location, XSR actions, resources, impact of user actions on performance. These are the complete details you have. And here, top place you see, you can change the timeline. So last 30 minutes, I'm going for it because that way you will see that little bit more details. Okay, now if I manually also I'm doing it. Okay, and manually if you do, then see the problem I'll tell you. So manually if you do, JavaScript will be loaded. If you do not manually do that through JMeter, JMeter will not load a JavaScript. That is a problem. It will do the other operations like port number and all. Okay, so that is tough. What is this? Okay, so this way it will come. And now you see, if you remember that this is the page which I was loading example servlet, examples, home page. These are the top user action. That means user has access these many pages. Their response time and all complete details you have. These are the resources we have accessed within a few seconds. So this is the IP address from that which is coming from. Full details you can see that hardly you have a data. So right now not too many users are there. So you are not enjoying this. No problem right now. And let me click, and no one has clicked. I don't know whether anyone have clicked. Only my data is coming. Okay, so this is the one right now. Front end, if you want to check, here it is. Let me app. So here front end, this is the front end. AppDex score you have here is pretty good. User action, load action, XSR actions, custom actions, everything you will find it here. Now you want to know the trace, right? So for that, front end and web both are interrelated, and you want to see the trace here. And let me check trace information. And right now few data has come. You see trace count, this many trace, that means this many traffic which you are getting.
Have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.